Mabuhay! I'm Julian J. Espares and I'm here to talk about what I've learned in sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism is a form of tourism that meets the needs of present tourists in the host region, while protecting and enhancing opportunities for the future. It focuses on minimizing the negative impacts of the tourism on the environment, economy, and the local culture, and maximizing the benefits for local communities and ecosystem. And according to World Tourism Organization or UNWTO 2005, sustainable tourism is tourism that takes full account of its current and future economic, social, and environmental impacts, addressing the needs of visitors, the industry, and the environmental and host community. And other, according to Bramwell Bill and Lane Bill 1993, sustainable tourism involves the management of all resources in such a way that economic, social, and aesthetic needs can be fulfilled, while maintaining cultural integrity, essential ecological process, and biological diversity. That's all. Choose tourism, choose you in Manila.